how to recover Windows PC. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, let's start. You all have to do is click the advanced option. In advanced option, select the Troubleshoot. In Troubleshoot, select advanced option. In advanced option, select Startup Settings. And okay guys, here in Startup Settings, okay, click Restart button. And now your PC is automatic restart. And okay guys, here select the Enable Safe Mode, the number 4, or click the F4 button in your computer. And okay guys, we have successfully recovered the Windows PC. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, thank you for watching.